As Easter approaches, there is a quiet beauty in turning toward nature for inspiration, embracing textures that feel grounded, raw, and full of history. In this video, we explore how reclaimed organic materials can be transformed into soulful Easter accents that radiate warmth and authenticity. This journey is not just about decorating, but about reconnecting with simplicity, sustainability, and the timeless charm of rustic living. Imagine gathering weathered wood, aged terracotta, dried grasses, and soft linen remnants, each piece carrying its own story. These materials, often overlooked or discarded, become the heart of our creations. Their imperfections, cracks, fading tones, uneven textures, bring character that cannot be replicated by mass-produced decor. This is where true rustic elegance begins, in the beauty of the imperfect. Start by curating your materials thoughtfully. Walk through your garden, visit local markets, or repurpose items from around your home. Look for fallen branches, dried leaves, or old clay pots. Even worn baskets or frayed fabrics can be reimagined into something meaningful. The goal is to gather elements that feel organic, tactile, and deeply connected to the earth. One of the simplest ways to begin is by crafting a centerpiece using reclaimed wood as a base. A small plank or tray can serve as the foundation for your arrangement. Layer it with moss, dried florals, and subtle Easter elements like eggs or nests. The contrast between rough wood and delicate details creates a harmonious balance that feels both rustic and refined. Terracotta plays a significant role in earthy Easter decor. Its warm, muted tones complement natural textures beautifully. Consider using chipped or aged terracotta pots as vessels for simple arrangements. Fill them with dried lavender, wheat stalks, or even hand-painted eggs. The result is understated yet deeply evocative of countryside charm. Incorporating textiles adds softness and depth to your designs. Linen, burlap, or cotton scraps can be used to wrap vases, line baskets, or create subtle table runners. Their neutral tones enhance the organic palette, while their textures invite a sense of comfort and warmth. These fabrics, especially when slightly worn, contribute to the lived-in aesthetic that defines rustic decor. Easter eggs, a timeless symbol of the season, take on new life when crafted from natural materials. Instead of brightly colored plastic, opt for eggs dyed with natural pigments like onion skins, coffee, or turmeric. The resulting hues are earthy and muted, perfectly aligning with the rustic theme. Each egg becomes a small work of art, unique and full of character. Branches and twigs can be transformed into stunning decorative structures. Create a simple Easter tree by placing a few branches in a clay vase and hanging lightweight ornaments or eggs. The organic lines of the branches bring movement and height to your display, while maintaining a minimalist and natural feel. Wreaths are another beautiful way to showcase reclaimed materials. Using a base of intertwined twigs or vines, you can build a wreath adorned with dried flowers, feathers, and subtle Easter accents. Hang it on your door or wall to create a welcoming, nature-inspired statement that celebrates the season in a gentle, understated way. Consider layering different textures to add depth to your arrangements. Combine rough wood, smooth ceramics, soft textiles, and delicate dried botanicals. This interplay of textures creates visual interest and invites the viewer to appreciate each element individually, while also seeing the harmony of the whole composition. Candles bring warmth and ambience to your Easter decor. Place them in reclaimed holders such as old jars, carved wood pieces, or vintage tins. The soft glow of candlelight enhances the earthy tones and textures, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels both intimate and serene. For table settings, keep things simple and intentional. Use neutral plates, wooden utensils, and linen napkins tied with twine or dried herbs. Add a small handmade accent at each place setting, such as a naturally dyed egg or a tiny bundle of dried flowers. These thoughtful details make the dining experience feel personal and memorable. Sustainability is at the heart of crafting with reclaimed materials. By reusing and repurposing, you reduce waste while creating decor that feels meaningful and unique. This approach encourages mindfulness, reminding us that beauty does not need to come from newness, but can be found in what already exists around us. As you create, allow yourself to experiment and embrace imperfection. Not every piece needs to be symmetrical or polished. In fact, the irregularities and handmade qualities are what make these accents truly special. They reflect a slower, more intentional way of living that is often lost in modern design. The color palette of Earthy Easter decor is inspired by nature itself: soft browns, muted greens, warm beiges, and gentle creams. These tones create a cohesive look that feels calming and timeless. Avoid overly bright or synthetic colors, allowing the natural hues of your materials to shine through. Sharing your creations with family and friends adds another layer of meaning to your decor. Whether it's a handmade centerpiece or a simple wreath, these pieces tell a story of care, creativity, and connection. They transform your space into a reflection of your values and your appreciation for natural beauty. conclusion, crafting earthy Easter accents from reclaimed organic materials is more than a decorative endeavor. It is a celebration of simplicity, sustainability, and the quiet elegance of nature. By embracing textures and materials that carry history and character, you create a home that feels warm, authentic, and deeply connected to the season.